Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julianis. If you're new here, I am a real estate agent in Tampa. I'm also a content creator, and today's video is a little bit different than what I've done before. It's a pack with me / what's in my travel bag packing tips kind of video, because I will be heading to Phoenix, Arizona and Las Vegas actually tomorrow and next week. So I'm going to be sharing with you all of my tips on how I pack everything into my personal item and a carry-on bag for 10 days. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Like I mentioned, I will be going out of state for 10 days. It's across 2 different events. So Phoenix, Arizona, it's a speaking event that I will be participating in, and that's happening this week. So I'm leaving tomorrow and I'm gonna be there for a few days, and then that's a 2-day event. And then I'll be heading to Las Vegas on Monday, and I'll leave on Friday of next week. And that's for a Follow Up Boss convention or conference event. It's gonna be amazing. I'm super excited. As you guys know, that's my favorite CRM. So I will be heading there and I'm gonna be meeting my coworker there. But for Arizona, I'll just be going by myself. Some tips about packing light or being very strategic with your packing. I prepared for this trip for a few weeks in advance, which is very unlike me, but I really wanted to make sure I was prepared and bringing everything that I needed in just my carry-on and personal items. So a packing list is super helpful. I have one here on my phone that I can just go through and make sure I have everything that I need. I also planned out my outfits in advance for each day, and I had some extras as well of what I'm going to be doing and what I'm going to be wearing for those days, and based on my activities and events, and also based on the weather. So I checked the weather a few days ago and it was going to be chilly, so in the 60s, low to 40s on both Arizona and Nevada. So I made sure to pack, you know, some longer sleeves and blazers and things like that. And yeah, so definitely doing a packing list and a list of all the events so you can plan your outfits, everything accordingly. This is the personal item bag that I'll be taking with me. It's by the brand BÉIS, and I love it because it's called the Mini Weekender. It's basically that, a mini weekender, but I love it because it has this detachable compartment here at the bottom, so you can store extra things. And this also can just be like a nice little beach bag if you're going on a vacation, or like an extra tote bag while you are at your destination. And it has the little pass through here and a bunch of great features. So I really love this, and this is gonna be my again, my personal item that'll be going on the plane with me. Along with this right here, this is my Lululemon Everywhere belt bag. This is gonna be going with me as like my airplane essentials, like on my chest, so that I don't have to reach for like my AirPods and hand sanitizer, things like that, while I'm on the plane. Over here, I just have all of the shoes that I'll be taking with me. So I have my Nike Air Force Ones, this kind of low nude pump that goes with a lot of the business casual outfits I have. This little heels from Steve Madden that are a little bit more dressier, and then these are very similar, but they're more comfortable for like walking around the conference and things. And then these flats. And then for my special event days, so there's a party night for the Follow Boss convention, and then there is my speaking event as well, where I'll be speaking on stage. So I'll be using these beautiful shoes for that because they're a thick heel and I won't fall. And then over here, this is the carry-on that I'll be taking with me. I got this off of TJ Maxx. It's just like a basic 21-inch hard case suitcase. Yeah, nothing fancy. So that's where I'll be packing most of my things. So here are all of my outfits that I have planned out and kind of laid out already. So starting over here, I have 4 pairs of pants that I'll be taking. So I have 1 pair of jeans, and then these 3 work pants, because again, a lot of the events that I'll be going to are business casual. These 3 are from Zara. They're very popular trouser work pants, which I love them. So I have them in this light cream color, the light gray color, and then the black. And another quick tip is to, as you can see, like a lot of the clothes I have, or if not most of them, they're very neutral. They're very black and white, grays, neutral colors. So I highly recommend that you pick out a palette and stick with it for your packing so that you can mix and match, because that's exactly what I'll be doing, and that's how I'll be able to do multiple outfits with just these essentials. For pants, I have this blazer, which I'll be taking on the plane with me. I have a black blazer, so I'm only taking 2 blazers. I have this beautiful party dress that is from Fashion Nova that I'll be taking with me for the party, the Follow Up Boss party. And then this little jumpsuit set is gonna be my speaker outfit for the Arizona event. And then I have just a basic like meaty black dress that I can dress up or dress down. Very comfortable. So in this little pile here, I have all of my bodysuits and kind of tops that I'll be mix and matching with everything. So I have 2 white ones. I have one that's strappy and one that's more of like a higher top bodysuit, and then I have 2 black ones. I have again one in strappy and one that's more of like a halter higher top, and then I have a black long sleeve bodysuit. And then this is a very cute top that I found on Amazon, and I plan on dressing in very cute for a dinner in Vegas or going out in Vegas. Over here I have my work tops, kind of merch, so I can also wear these on the conventions because, you know, I gotta promote. So I have one in black and white and one in white and black. And then over here I have some extra tops. I have this white one that's good for like a casual day for going out, and I have this blue one. This one, which is one of my favorite work tops. It's from H&M. And then this is my pajamas. These are my undergarments, and that's my airport outfit, which is just a matching black little sweat set from Amazon. Over here, these are the tote bags that I'll be taking for a lot of these conventions. We've gotten, our team leader, she's gotten us these cute little tote bags, so of course I want to take them so that I can wear them and promote, but also have it be very functional at the same time. So I bought this cute little organizer from Amazon. It expands. It's like a little purse organizer, because my last few times using these, I tend to just drop everything in there and it's very hectic and crazy and things fall out. But with that, it's gonna be so much better. I have a black one and I have this one. What I like about this one is that it has a zipper. I feel like it's larger, so I can fit more things. But this one is also really cute, and they're different textures as well. So I decided to take both and just take that with me. So I actually want to share with you guys my toiletry bag. I got it off of Amazon. I saw it on TikTok and it fits so much. This holds 3 hairbrushes and all of my beauty, hair, and skincare products. Everything literally fits here. So it has a bunch of pockets and compartments, which I love for organization. So in this front one, I have all my hair ties. This holds like a nail file, nail clipper, hair clips, and razor. Here is a first aid kit. On this side, I have my makeup remover wipes and my travel size perfumes and shoe cleaner wipes, because I am taking, you know, my white sneakers. So when you open this up, on here you have obviously like the hook, so you can hook it on your shower or whatnot. I have like some toothpaste, lip products, toothbrush, extra toothpaste, and more teeth stuff. And then in here I have like some skin patches and eye gels or eye patches and things like that. And then in here is where it holds literally everything. So my hairbrushes are here. I have a hair clip. All of my products are in different like Ziploc bags. So this is my skincare products. I have, again, hair. I have a self tanner in there, cotton swabs. I mean, it's like a Mary Poppins bag. It has so much and it's amazing. So this is the other side of the suitcase. So right here there's like a little dent, and this is like an open area with this compression strap. So I have a few things in here. I have like some security things like for the hotel room so that I can lock the door, and my Invisiwear, things like that. And then I have my hair straightener and curling wand and my tripod in here because I will be doing lots of content in this trip. And I have a steamer here, a little travel size steamer, because a lot of this clothes, again, like are really tight in there, so I want to make sure I can steam them. And I'm going to pack more things in here. I'll show you, but these are just some of the things I have for right now. And because there's this little dent here, what I do is just put this side down right in the middle so that I can maximize space on the rest of the stuff. So it's nice fits perfectly in there, and then I'll just pack around it and a little bit under. And I did just wrap these up in plastic so that they don't mess, you know, the rest of the suitcase. Okay, so I'm all done with this suitcase. I just finished packing, fitting everything I could under there, and then I have 2 of the tote bags and the tote organizer in there as well, and this is ready to go. Here it is definitely very, very full, but that's okay. I will definitely be doing an arm workout, getting this on the top of the seat of the airplane. Okay, so here is the final look, and I was able to fit in there everything, and like some socks, belts, things like that. So it's all set, and this is going to be attached to my bag now. So here's how it's gonna look like. I'm just going to look for the little extra zipper area right here and connect it. Now it is attached, and now I have all of this space to fill up the rest of my things, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. So here's everything that's coming in my carry-on bag. I have 2 sunglasses. I might have to decide on one. I don't know which one just yet. This is my tripod, which I'm filming with. This little detachable pad slip thing, it's for my laptop. So my laptop's in there, and I have some face masks in this little section right here. There's 2 sections. I have my neck pillow, which goes on the outside. This amazing little bag, it's from Amazon, and it holds all of my electronics. It's amazing, guys, because again, this trip is for business or for content creation, so that's what I'll be doing, and this will come back to its normal state once I land, but for now it has to be squished. I have in here my gimbal, my plugs, because I have a bunch of chargers. I have chargers for the gimbal and portable chargers. I have all of my microphone set here, my camera stuff, chargers, like a bunch of stuff in here. I'm gonna close this up, and it fits perfectly in there. This bag, it's from BÉIS. It holds all of my makeup, and I love it because it opens up completely. You can leave it standing like that, and it has like this all the way down zipper and this, so it doesn't fall all over the place. It has a middle zipper compartment and the side compartment here with a zipper, so I just have all of my makeup in here. I have my eyelashes in this cute little case from Amazon, and my eyelash glue in there, and eyeshadow palette, things like that. So I'm gonna close this up, and that's also gonna go with me because I don't want it to break or get lost or anything. And then I have this cute little case from Amazon as well. I'll have this linked in my Amazon storefront, but this is my pill case. So I have some hauls in case my throat gets sore, and some medications in there. This is one of the purses I'm taking with me. It's the Coach Mini wallet bag. It has a chain in it, and it's super cute. It's perfect for like going out to drinks and to the bar, things like that, where I don't want to carry a big guy like this one. It's just a simple crossbody, but it fits so much, and I'll be stuffing things in this as well, so I can maximize space. This is more of a dressier bag than my tote bags, and a little larger than this one. And then this holds all of my feminine products that I'll be needing. And then I have a mini umbrella as well, because it did say it was gonna rain. This is a shoulder strap for the actual like bag that I'm taking with me in case it gets heavy, but I won't be carrying it around with me because it's gonna go on top of my carry-on. This is going in there. This is my Rode little microphone holder. This is like a little mini deodorant that I just putting in there for now. This is my makeup brush holder and my eyeliners and kind of pencil holder for makeup, so it's nice. And then when I get there, I can just pop this on the vanity and do my makeup. But this is from Sigma, if you were wondering. I've had it for a long time, like 10 years. This is again from BÉIS. It's a little mesh art organizer, and this holds all of my jewelry. I'm not a huge jewelry person, but I am taking like some earrings and things like that. This is my thing for my laptop charger, which is in here. This is all of like my business cards, pen, like office supply stuff. So post-its, pens, laptop charger because it fit in there, and a bunch of business cards because we're gonna be networking a lot. And then this is my emergency little kit, so I have a little bit of everything. I always like to be prepared. I'm that person at the trips where, like, if you need a band-aid or pill or lotion, anything, I always have something with me. So this is my little emergency kit. It has like a little mini lint roller on top, a little bit of everything. So there is that. And then this is another, I have two portable chargers. I have this large one and I have a mini one in here because you never know. So I have that. And this is some papers I need for my presentation, like notes and stuff, and my notebook because I love like writing things down, like ideas and planning and things like that. And then I have this adapter that I have to put in there. But that's literally everything that's going in my personal items. So I'm gonna pack that up right now. And then after that, I should be all set for today. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And I will see you in my next video.